I'm going to be singing Only Exception by Paramore. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love that does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it alone, or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now, I've sworn to myself I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception. 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 I got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me. I'm waiting in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. Oh, you are the only exception. 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 You are the only exception, and I'm on my way to believing. I'm on my way to believing.